Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about a really important concept in After Effects, which is keyframe and transformations. This is the fundamental of the program. Okay, I hope you can understand this. So I created projects. It's just an empty projects. Okay, and I create a composition is empty composition also. So first of all, what I want to do, I want to create like a rectangle, a box, okay, and then I'm going to draw another one. Well, they're not in the same size. I just randomly draw them. It doesn't matter what kind of size they are. Okay, so in the layer, I have two boxes created. Okay, if I click one, this is this one, this one. Okay, and you see here there is a triangle, right? Once you click that, then you will see here these contents which is show the shapes in this layer, and it's another one called transform. When you click it, you have anchor points, position, scale, rotation, opacity. Okay, so these are the options you can do. When you hover over here, there is like alarm clock thing, right? You click it. For example, this is a position, right? If you click it, so this is a timeline, right? And the places you click, for example, let me just do it again. This is a timeline, right? Right now there's no change on the timeline, right? If you click it, see here, it will show up on this timeline here. Okay, you show like a diamond on timeline, okay, and it's in the row of position. All right. What's cool about this was, by the way, when you look at timeline is the see here, it disappear, right? What this is the bar for this shape layer, okay, and this is bar for this shape layer, okay, which means you want them right now. If it's showing, see here, if this is bar, if this bar, which means it disappear, doesn't have in this space, it doesn't have this bar, which means they will not show the layer until the time come to here and they will show the layer. Okay, right now we just make them start from the beginning. And the other thing is, in the here, this is you can like actually zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so this is to use that. Just this, I think it's really easy to understand these timelines. Okay, to go back to this diamond. Okay, so there's a diamond down here already. All right, and then what you can do is, if you drag to somewhere else, for example, I'm come to 3 seconds, and you just click again. So you have this clock again, and this is a diamond, right? You click again. See here, it shows add or remove keyframe. You click again. Then we have 2 diamonds, and all these diamonds are called keyframe. So this keyframe means at this point in time, computer will record the changes. Okay, let's just do it. For example, this is a keyframe, right? If you move on the right, there is like a line created. Okay, what this was is the movement. Okay. When you once you change, click here and change the position, and see here, actually they're moving. Okay, this is really important. I really recommend you try this. Okay, just create the diamond, and once you click diamond, and just move this box anywhere you want. Okay, and you can change. See here, it's actually a vector. You can change the movement you want them to do. So see here, it's actually changed in this way. All right, and you can even like, see here, you can even like move this. Okay, so it's actually change it here. Okay, so if you hit space, they will play. Okay, they will play the video for you. You can also see here, this review, this stop, this is play, stop, play. You can view it from here also. Okay, see here, it's just like a move as just create a motion from here. Okay, so which means this is the initial state, and this is the end state, okay, and they will create transition in between. Okay, you can, for example, let's go back here. Let's just move. Move it here, right? So then it move in this way. All right. So this is the concept. Okay, it's really simple but really powerful. And then we have position right now. Okay, the same with scale. Okay, like this is scale, right? You can create. See here, you can, for example, let's start from here. You create scale. This is first state, and go somewhere else. You create another diamond, and what this one doing is, you can, the other way you can do it is just double click. See here, there's a box. Then you can choose what kind of state you want to stay. For example, I want to become smaller. Right? You can then click OK. Or you can zoom. You can use this tool to do it. Okay. And see here, and then you change. See here, you move this position and then scale. Okay. The same thing with rotation. See here, rotation is a little bit, I think it's a little bit complex. What it was is, let's start from here. Rotation, you create a keyframe here, and you create a diamond here. Okay, and then you want to double click this diamond, and this is tell you revolutions in degrees. Okay, for example, if you make a revolution, let's say 10 degrees, let's say 10, so which means they will, they will turn like 10 times, or and then 10 degrees. Then you click OK, and then let's play it and see what happens. See here, then you will move, and then you will turn. You will rotate, keep rotating until it hit this bar, this keyframe, and then they stop rotate. Okay. The same thing with this one. Okay, you can do the same thing. You can just like open transform, and this is like opacity, right? You can just click one and click another one and click a diamond and just define these states. For example, opacity, we came to 0, which means, right? And here you can add another one. You want to go back to 100, and then see here, then it disappear and show up again. Okay, really cool. You can add as much as keyframe as you want. All right, pretty cool. The other thing was, all these keyframe you can actually copy them. You can select them, and you can copy. For example, you select right now. I already select all these 3, and you Control C, you copy them, and go back to this layer and Control V. So you see here, it will do the same thing. Okay, so you basically can copy the all the changes just by Control C and Control V. Okay, this is another important thing, which is copy the keyframe to different layers. All right. So for example, this rotation, right? Let's select this one and select this one and Control C, and let's just go back to the rotation in this layer. Rotation this layer, Control V. Okay, make sure you select this bar. Okay, so then when you play it, disappear and it rotate, disappear, it rotate, disappear and rotate. Okay, and it seems like the rotation in here is a little bit different because the anchor. So if you put the anchor back here, then it will like stay the same. All right, pretty cool. Okay, I strongly suggest you practice this a lot by yourself, because it's really important concept. Okay, and also there's a practice. I made another composition, which is this one. I if you can do it, I hope you do it by yourself. So basically it's just like this rotating, and this become bigger and smaller, and the words just showing up, disappear, showing up, disappear. Alright, so just practice. This is really fun and interesting. Okay, you should like it. Alright, so this is this. I will see you next time.